Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to open your calendar, go here 2 times, then click we got it, tap on the switcher and select event. And we have to add the title for the first, click here, and we can set up here also other things. For example, we can change the default color of this event in our calendar. If you set up everything, you have to click save, and as you can see right here, we got our event. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.